Hi guys, this is Arpita here and you are watching my channel Pratikriti A Creative Mind. Welcome to my channel. Who are new to my channel, for them I want to tell that this is a channel where I share art and craft oriented ideas and their tutorials also, and some home decorating ideas. With me today, this is my child Chirantan. Say hi. So today's tutorial is on the Patachitra painting. The term Patachitra is very much ancient and it is very much famous in India. Uh, so what are you doing? The term Patachitra, a cloth-based painting or a scroll, a painting that is made on cloth and can be rolled up. This art form is originated from the state of Orissa and obviously from West Bengal, where from I belong. And such artworks are created for only ritual purpose or to decorate only the temples or inner side of the temples. It is a kind of narrative art where the artist performs songs about what they are painting on their patachitras. A song performing artwork, this can be said. For materials, they used very common materials like a piece of paper or piece of patra or leaf. Actually, palm leaves are used. This is the traditional style of work. This, although art belongs to the mythological characters or happenings, but in our present day, it has become a home decorative art form also. So the themes always vary from the mythological to the modern themes according to the viewer's choice. About styling of this art form, there are two different styles of Patachitra painting. One is obviously Odisha art Patachitra painting and the other one is Bengal Patachitra painting. Now, rather than talking only so much about this art form, let's start the practical tutorial also, where I will describe or discuss the further details of this art form. Let's start! Talk about the Orissa form of art. There are three kinds of medium are used in such paintings in Orissa. One is cloth based, that is Pattachitra, and the second one is on the walls. Wall is the canvas, that is called Vittichitra, and the third one is on the palm leaves, that is called Talapatra Chitra. So the theme and the style of Odisha Patachitra surrounds with Lord Jagannatha and Vaishnava sections of Hindu religion. But their styles are mixed as the dresses of the figures that are taken from the Mughal. But the proportions of the figures are very much bold, clean and sharp and very much angular. There is no background in such paintings, no landscape or any horizontal views. Backgrounds are always painted with mostly flowers and foliages like flora and fauna, and mostly used red colors to paint them. There is always a decorative borders and mostly black, yellow, red and green, blue. These colors are used. And for West Bengal Patachitra painting, there are two aspects of Bengal Patachitra, like Durgapat and the other one is Chalchitra. These are the form depict on the mythology and the social and religious as well as folklore. The artists of this art form in Bengal are called as Patua. The themes of such art form of Bengal are accompanied with the Patua songs, of which I have already told you, or Patua Sangeet. It is called Patua Sangeet. Among them, Chalchitra is actually the background of the idol of Durga Ma. This Chalchitra tells the story or the history of that Durga Pratima, Durga idol, and how they worship had been started in that area, or the families or some families' lineage history, etc. And the Durga pot is where actually it is worshipped as idol. Actually, Durga pot is a hemispherical Patachitra where Durga and her family are drawn. For color, usually these artists use natural colors source. Sometimes it may be chalk dust for white color, pauri, they use pauri for yellow color, processed indigo for the blue color, and one kind of mete sindoor. It is called one kind of sindoor. The Indians wear on their forehead, married women actually. Mete sindoor is used for the red color, and the natural leaf extracts are used for the green color. Thus, they use the natural sources of colors. But as always, we can go now for acrylic or poster or any kind of colors on our canvas, or any kind of canvas we can use, because it's a modern age. There is no need for the natural colors, so you can go ahead. So that's it, it's done. Guys, please comment me how it is looking, is it beautiful or not, and also please comment, share and subscribe my channel if you like my effort, and also please stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Until then, watch my other videos that are shown on the screen. So bye bye guys, have a good day.